Good day to you traders. It's Monday, August 2nd. Happy August. We've made it. We're looking at BABA today in our non-cherry bomb trade for you. We have an earnings iron condor we're going to explore. BABA has definitely been volatile recently, and earnings are tomorrow. So it has an IV rank of 59 and a liquidity rank of 4 out of 4 drops, right? And it has a relatively weak positive correlation to the SPYs. So in just a moment, we'll hop on into Thinkorswim. We'll take a look at the market health for the futures overnight, and we'll get today's trade build. So I hope you'll join us and stick around to the end. That does help me so much by watching these videos to the end. I do appreciate it. Hi everybody, my name is Neil. This is Option Theory, and here we are inside of Thinkorswim's simulated trading. I don't do a ton of earnings trades, and I kind of want to get into it here a little bit. So we're going to try a little something different. We're going to go off script, I suppose, and do things that are a little, air quotes, unorthodox, right? According to tasty trade mechanics, because that's usually what we follow here. Because if you're new to this channel, we do cherry bomb trades, which come from Tasty Trade. Stick around to the end. I'll tell you how you can get those trade ideas sent to your inbox from Tasty Trade, not from me. I never get your email. I don't want your email. Just hope you watch these videos. Thanks. All right, here we go. Let's go take a look at the charts. That's not the chart. There's the chart for BABA. We can see here that it's been on a downtrend for sure with quite a bit of volatility here, right? Here we see an earnings event that resulted in a down move. We're coming up to one as well tomorrow. Surprised that that's not marked down here, but yep, there it is. And that's according to, double checking here. Yeah, 8-3. Okay, cool. So we're August 3rd is when we have our earnings. And yeah, this is these red lines here that go horizontal. That's our break evens for today's trade. We're hoping that BABA will stay. You can see we're midpoint here. We'll stay in there. You can see our break evens were a little bit more risk, I guess, risk of blowing through our upside than downside according to what the market sees. But here we go. Let's build it. Go to the Analyze tab. Let's go to Add Simulated Trade. And we're going to be in, here's the weirdo, the August monthlies, which is only 18 days to expiration. And I think we can collect a good amount of credit. Give ourselves a pretty wide stance on this one and collect just about 1/3 the width of the strikes, in 18 days. That sounds like something I'm interested in trying. All right, here are the strikes. I've widened this out so you can see it here. We're looking at on the put side, we're going to be selling the 180 put and buying the 175 put, $5 wide put vertical. And then for the call vertical, we're looking at selling the 210 call and buying the 215, another $5 wide call vertical. That collectively collects $1.51 in credit. All right. So now that we see that what we can make, that is our maximum possible profit. Should it be, become worthless in the next 18 days, we can collect that much. Of course, if you're following a tasty trade mechanic, you'd look to take your profit at 50% of the max profit. Although, let's be honest, in an earnings play, I'm happy to take in a short period of time, 25, anywhere between 25 and 50%, right? That'd be great. Let's see what happens. So let's understand our probabilities. Let's go to the risk profile here. Make sure your date in the top right corner. And I'm just realizing right now we didn't do market health. I said I would, we didn't. Let's do that in just a moment. Here is the date in the top right corner in this calendar. Should match the date you see in turquoise here in the bottom left corner here. And when you do that, you go to this menu option and set your slices to break even at that date, 8/21. We're looking at a 55.9 or a 56% probability of profit. Can we call it that, please? All right, there is our 56% probability of profit ending on or between these gold price slices. That's the same thing that we see pretty much here inside of Thinkorswim Tastyworks. Is that right? 56% pop with a 70% P50. There's a 70% chance that we're going to make half that, $75, in the next 18 days. I know that's not necessarily super exciting or the kind of thing you're going to tweet about, but stick with me here. Try it. This is simulated dollars, right? Simulated dollars. If you can simulate your making of money consistently, then you can turn it into real consistent money making. That's the hope, right? All right, so let's go over here and let's go ahead and right click this trade, choose confirm and send. You can't see it, give me just a second. There's the confirm and send screen. And we're looking at a max profit of 151, a max loss of 350. You're risking $350. You're agreeing today that today's iron condor is worth $151, right? We don't want it to be worth $500 at the end, because if it's worth $500 and you got paid $151, you still owe them $349, right? So that's your maximum possible loss. Should it blow through our put side or our call side completely and entirely at expiration, we could lose that much. We're going to go ahead and hit send. That puts that into our working orders. And let's go back and do our market health. Here we go. Click on this little side drawer here, and we can see that the U.S. indices, when I last checked, you know, the major ones, the Russell, the S&Ps, the NASDAQ, and Dow are all 0.5% or greater in their positive territory here. That's still the case here. Yeah, Russell up the most, 1%. And let's see, natural gas is up 1.8, and crude is down 1.1. So these fossil fuels are apparently opposing each other today. Gold's down, silver's down, bonds are down. Well, relatively unchanged, right? We got treasury notes, bonds. All right. Yeah, there we are. VIX is down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of these symbols are red. Team green is winning, if that means anything for what we're going to see today. Hey, you made it to the end of my video. Big thumbs up to you. Thank you so much for watching to the end. If you'd like to get cherry bomb trades sent from Tasty Trade, there's a link in the description below. Head on over, sign up for any or all of their email lists. They're all good. None of them are spam. We use the cherry bombs here. Hopefully, if you're ready to simulate your trading so that you're comfortable with what you can and can't do, right? And to know whether or not it's time to go trade your real dollars, I hope you'll join us. There's a subscribe button, ring the bell. You'll be notified when these videos come out, and you can put them on in your portfolio. Thanks so much, everybody, for watching. I'll see you in tomorrow's cherry bomb trade, first cherry bomb trade. Until then, may the market be with you.